Hello there, grade 3. For today, all we have to do is to learn how to arrange the numbers in ascending or decreasing order. Okay, for number or for page 27, it says there, the instruction says there, arrange these numbers in order. Begin with the greatest. Okay, it says there, begin with the greatest. Let me just type that. Oops, sorry. The greatest. Okay. When you say greatest, ibig sabihin you're going to start with the biggest number. And when you start with the biggest number, this order is called descending order. Descending order means that you're going to start with the biggest value, ending with the smallest given value. Okay. So how do you do this? How do you arrange these numbers? For example, we have 4,728, 3,962, 9,263 and 7,847. So since we are tasked or asked to start or begin with the greatest, all we have to do here is to compare the first given digits for each number and identify which has the greatest value. So in this case, it's obviously 9. So 9 goes first, 9,263, or that's read as 9,263. Then all you have to do next is to identify the next greater value. So we now have 4, 3, and 7. So obviously it's 7. 7,847 goes next. And between 4,728 and 3,962, it is quite obvious that 4,728 has a bigger value than what's left is 3,962. Okay. So this order is in descending order from biggest or the greatest value all the way to the smallest value. Okay, so that's how you do it. Otherwise, for the next page, which is in page 28, the task there is to arrange these numbers in order, begin with the smallest. So all you have to do is to do it the other way around. And doing it the other way around, it's called the ascending order. Okay, so that's called an ascending order, which means it's the other way around. So if we are going to start with the smallest, we now have 3,962, 4,728, 7,847, and 9,263. So that's basically how you do the activity with the given numbers there. All you have to do is just to identify first their first given digit of each number. In case they are the same, you already know what to do with my past lessons that I gave you. All you have to do is to compare the next given place value. Okay? So that is your activity for pages 27 and 28. Okay, for page 29, it says there that all you have to do is to fill in each blank with the correct answer. You need to understand the sentence that is being asked here. Ang sabi kasi, what is the greatest four-digit odd number that can be formed using 1, 2, 3, and 4? So we are going to make use of the digits 1, 2, 3, and 4. And to form the greatest four-digit odd number. What do you mean by odd number? Odd numbers are those that ends with 1, 3, 5, 9. And the other pair for that is the even numbers, which the numbers that end with 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. Okay? Ay, wait, nakalimutan ko sa add ang 7. Sorry. Nako. Okay. So, clarify ko lang ulit. For add, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. For even, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. Okay. So please put that in mind. These are basic information for you to know. So then again, our task here is to form the greatest 4-digit odd number that can be formed using 1, 2, 3, and 4. So greatest 4-digit odd number, kailangan natin maghanap ng malaking number first. So since we're talking about the greatest, ibig sabihin malaki, we should start with the biggest value possible, which is in this case is 4. So if you're gonna make use of the other numbers, we can start with 4, 1, 2, 3. Combination ba? Trial and error ba? In other words, you can try to mix up the other numbers. Let's say 4, 1, 3, 2. 4, 2, 1, 3. 4, 2, 3, 1. Okay? Try din natin ang 4, 3, 1, 2. At saka ang 4, 3, 2, 1. Technically, this is an easy task naman. You don't have to do this task, this thing that I'm doing. So if we're going to compare everything, everything starts with 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So again, reminder lang, greatest. Okay, we're looking for the greatest value possible, which means we are going to eliminate this since the next number is 1, maliit yan. Another 1 there. We're going to eliminate that as well. And if you observe that we have 3, 3 is the biggest possible number or the greater possible number that we have for the hundreds. So we should also remove the ones that has 2 in the hundreds place. So which leaves us with these two numbers here. Okay. Now we have to choose between 4, 3, 1, 2 and 4, 3, 2, 1. Obviously, if you notice no sa last part natin, for the tens place, obviously 2 is greater than 1. So we can say that this is our winner right away. But we have to meet the condition, okay? It says there, what is the greatest 4-digit odd? What do you mean by odd again? The numbers that end with 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So this number ends with 1, and this number ends with 2. So here alone, we have to eliminate this immediately na. Kasi this ends with an even number. And that's not the case there. Okay? So in this case, our answer here is 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? The answer can be different kasi. What if what is asked here is not odd but even? If what is asked here is even, then obviously this is not our answer because we have an odd number here. So which means our final answer earlier could have been this one if it's even. Pero since it is not even nga, since odd lang siya, so we can say that this is our final answer for this activity. Okay, again, this takes a lot of concentration. Yung page 29. Okay, so try to concentrate and understand what, especially the condition, kasi there are conditions nga. One is greatest and smallest, forming the greatest or either smallest. And the second condition is to form either a number that is an odd number or an even number. Okay? So that's it for today.